Hi guys, we are Chocolate.
Ice cream!
Today we are doing another home-based experiment which is called hot ice. This is an experiment that using the melting point, the liquid becomes solid directly by one touch, and since this reaction is exothermic, the solid which is made is hot because it releases the heat. So let's start the experiment.
So first, we need some apparatus, beaker, baking soda, saucepan, vinegar, and a tablespoon.
So first we pour 1 liter of the vinegar.
So we pour the half of the vinegar into saucepan. So we need 4 tablespoons of baking soda. So if we add baking soda into vinegar rapidly, it will form bubbles, so we have to add slowly in small amount. So we stir this solution.
So we boil this vinegar and baking soda solution with a medium heat. This is because we want to maintain our transparent color. It is okay if we just using the strong heat, but it will change the color. And we should stir evenly to dissolve all of the baking soda in the vinegar. So we boil this solution because we need to increase the concentration by removing the water. So this is our remaining solution after the boiling. Almost 3/4 of the solution is already evaporated, so we have a little less of it. So I will pour this now to the cup. Because we use the strong heat later, it can see the color is not like transparent white, but it's a little bit
Yellowish.
yeah, a little bit yellowish. To prevent other reaction occurs for the impurities goes in, I will cover this cup with the aluminum foil. And now we will wait until 30 or 40 minutes in the fridge until it cools down under the melting point. So these are the 2 solutions that I just picked out from the fridge after 30 minutes. But one of the 2 solutions is already frozen and it made a solid in here. I think it is failed solution, so I will only use this one to test that it really turns from liquid to solid. So I put some of the acidic powder that is formed in the saucepan. I'll put this in this solid and we'll see what happens. Works or not? I think this solution doesn't react. Something is wrong in the process. And the thing I thought it was failed was actually made a crystal inside here. So I think I should melt this again and redo the reaction, the experiment. So this is actually the one that I thought it was failed, but when I pour this thing, there is a ice, which is called ice. The solid thing in here It's really strong, and it's kind of not cold. It's temperated. So I think if I melted this again and then redo it, the experiment may success. So I'll do it again. After several minutes of waiting, you can see the crystals form near the saucepan. It means we can now take out from the saucepan and put in the fridge. I think the experiment is failed because in the saucepan there are already this sodium acetate solution is already frozen. You can see crystal in here, which I should later form. It should be formed by me, but it's already formed in here. I think this experiment is failed. But the reason for that, maybe I put too much baking soda in the solution.